Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about a new word family. Today's word family has an A C, and a K. This says ack. The C and K together make the K sound, just like the C makes the K sound and the K makes the K sound. Hey, they copy each other. So when they're together, they still make the same sound. So we have a. Can you do this with me? A. Ack. Ack. Today's word family is ack. Say ack. We are going to add beginning sounds to the word family ack and make words. These are just letters right now. We need to make a whole word with a bunch of letters. Let's see what words we can make. I want you to go ahead and I want you to get this word family, put it on your board, and when you're done, I want you to write on your paper that your parents printed. You're going to trace the A and the C and the K on top with your pencil. When you're done getting your letters and tracing the ack on your paper, I want you to press play again. Go ahead, press pause. Okay, we are going to first look at the screen. I don't want you to work with your magnets right now, your letters. I want you to go ahead and look at the screen. I'm going to add the beginning sound. Can you say p, p, p? Let's sound out this word to figure out what this word says. Listen first and watch what I do. P, a, k. I move the C and K together because they make the same sound. Now do it with me by looking and making the sounds I make. P, a, k. Let's do it again. Ack, p, ack, p, ack, p, ack, pack. This is the word pack. Hey, we were reading the story, Sheep Take a Hike, and the sheep had to pack before they went on their hike. Pack. Go ahead, I want you to build this word by putting the beginning sound p, and then you're going to sound the letters out for your parents and blend together the sounds to make a word. Make sure that you're moving up first, down, and then tapping each sound. Go ahead, do this for your parents, and then press play when you're done. Now, we're going to write the word pack on the first line, and I'm going to make the sounds as I'm writing each letter. P, a, k, pack. Pack. And notice how I used a lowercase p because we're just writing one word. It should not get an uppercase P. The P tail goes under the line. Go ahead, press pause. You're going to write this word. Make sure you make the sounds as you write the letters. Now we're going to make a rhyming word that rhymes with pack. So what we need to do is leave the ending sound. We need to change the beginning sound. Let's see what rhyming word we can make that goes with pack. I'm going to add the sound. Can you make the sound? Great job. Let's watch and listen as I sound out each sound. S, a, k. Now do it with me. S, a, k. S, ack. S, ack. S, ack. Sack. This is the word sack. Go ahead. I want you to build this word Sack rhymes with pack. They have the same ending sound. Build this word, and I want you to sound it out for your parents by moving the letters up and down and then tapping each one to make the word. Go ahead, press pause, and then press play when you're ready. Now we're going to write the word sack. Lowercase s makes the s, a, k, sack. You're going to write this word. Make sure you make each sound as you're writing the letters, and then press play when you have finished. Go ahead, press pause. Now we're going to make a word that rhymes with sack and pack. Pack, sack have the same ending sound. We're going to change the beginning sound, s, and we're going to make a new word that rhymes with sack and pack. This is the what sound? What sound does this letter make? B, b, b. Say it with me. B, b, b. This is the B. It makes the B sound. Now I want you to listen and watch as I sound out this word. B, a, k. Now do it with me by making the same sounds that I make and watching my letters. B, a, k. B, a, k. B, a, k. B, a, k. Back. This is the word back. What I want you to do is, first of all, touch your back. You have a back behind your body. I want you to go ahead, build this word, and sound out each sound for your parents the way that we do it together. Go ahead, press pause, and when you have finished, press play again. Now we're going to write the word back, and I'm going to make the sounds. Please watch. B, a, k, back. Go ahead, you're going to do this as well with your pencil on your paper. Press pause, and then when you have finished writing the word, as you sound out each letter while you're writing, go ahead and press play again. Okay, we're going to find a word that rhymes with back and pack and sack. They all have the same ending sound, ack. Let's find another beginning sound so we can make another rhyming word. This is the beginning sound. Do you know? R, ring. All right, watch and listen as I sound out this new word. Ack. Now do it with me by saying the sounds I make. Ack. Now let's tap it out and make the sounds. You're watching and saying the sounds with me. Ack. Ack. Rack. Rack. This is the word rack. Can you say rack? It has the ending sound ack. Go ahead, you're going to build this word. I want you to make the sounds just like we do by moving the letters up and down, tapping each letter until you know the word. For your parents, press pause, and when you're done, please press play again. Now we're going to write the word rack, and we're going to make the sounds for each letter that I write. Rack. You are going to do the same thing. Go ahead with your pencil, write the word, and as you're writing each letter, make the sounds. Go ahead, press pause, and press play when you're ready. What you're going to do now is you're going to think of your own AK words. Can you think of two more AK words that we haven't, ACK words that we haven't written here? Are there two more that rhyme with pack, sack, back, rack. Do we have 2 more that you can make by changing the beginning sound? Go ahead. I can't wait to see which ones you build and write on the lines. Great job, everyone.